Brian Sensei here. Wouldn't it be great if you could ask Copilot to create a PowerPoint presentation for you based on another document? Or wouldn't it be cool if you could have Copilot summarize an Excel document without even having to open it or attach it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do these two things and some other tips and tricks that you can use with Copilot and your OneDrive files. Let's dig in. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open our internet browser and head over to Microsoft365.com. This is also known as Office.com. All right, once here and signed in, you are going to land right on Copilot Chat. Here you can begin using Copilot just like you would to get things created, ask for information. However, now that this is built right into your Microsoft 365 account, Copilot can see and interact with your Microsoft 365 files and other work data. All right, I'm going to start by asking, list out the key points of this file. Now, what I could do is click on plus, and I could attach a document or upload a document from my desktop. But there's now a faster way to do this. Simply type /, and you can now begin searching your documents in your OneDrive. Or you can search the list here. I'm going to go ahead and look for my School of Rock files. Here's my About Brian Sensei's School of Rock. I'll go ahead and select that. We can see now that the file is listed here. And so this is what Copilot will analyze in order to pull out those key points. I'll go ahead and send it. And boom shakalaka. Here are the key points of that entire document summarized for me. Down here, we've got some other suggested things to do with this information, or we can click our view prompts to get even more suggestions. All right, now over on the left, you're gonna see your conversation history here, where you can click into previous conversations. Now, I'm gonna start a new conversation, so I'll go up here to the top right, start a new chat. All right, this time I want to create a marketing campaign. Create a marketing campaign for my School of Rock. You will find the details of the school in this file. I'll do the / again, and I'm going to look for my School of Rock, again, my About file. All right, and I'll go ahead and click Send. And there we go. We even got a campaign theme. Unleash your inner rock star. All right, key messages, target audience, marketing channels. So I've got this nice detailed marketing campaign. And down here, we've got more suggestions. Help me design graphics for the campaign. Draft email templates for outreach. Nice. Now, here's a really cool feature. We can take this information that we got from Copilot and we can have it create a PowerPoint presentation. Create a PowerPoint presentation of this marketing campaign. We'll hit send. And boom shakalaka. Look at this. We've got a link to a PowerPoint presentation that Copilot created for us. Includes the following. Let's go ahead and click on the link. And there it is. This PowerPoint file loads right up in the PowerPoint app. And if you click here, you can see where this file is stored. It is in my OneDrive in the Documents folder. And we see the file name right there that's already been generated for us. And look at this. This is a pretty nice PowerPoint that was instantly created. And of course, we can go in here and modify to our liking. Okay, let's go back to Copilot. And I'm going to start a new chat here. This time I'm going to ask Copilot to help me design some to-dos to complete my marketing campaign. Suggest a list of action items from, again, I'll hit /, and we're going to use our Brian Sensei School of Rock marketing campaign, which was created 3 minutes ago. I'll select that file and send. And here we go. A list of action items. Finalize core campaign theme, refine key messages, define and segment target audience, etc., etc. And of course, I can click the copy icon here to copy this list of tasks and drop it into another document. Okay, now I'm going to start a new chat. And this time, I'm going to tell Copilot a little bit about myself so Copilot can get to know me more on a personal level. I like to create videos and I have a YouTube channel about using computer apps. I also like to listen to music, especially new wave, ska, and reggae. I like to be called Brian Sensei. And then I added, please add to memory. I'll go ahead and send that. And Copilot says, got it, Brian Sensei. I've saved the following to memory. And so it's reminding me of what I wanted stored in memory. And it's giving me some suggestions of what else we could talk about. Now, I'm also going to have a little bit of fun with this. Please respond to me in the style of Jim Morrison of The Doors. Make references to his famous quotes and music from time to time. And I'll also add here, please add to memory. And I'll send that off. Far out, Brian Sensei. I've added this to memory. And you can see here that Copilot has already dropped a quote. There are things known and things unknown, and in between are the doors. Would you like to ride the snake into a new video idea? Or maybe explore the strange days of app tutorials with a poetic twist? Nice. All right, let's do one more file example. I'm going to go up to new chat. This time we're going to work with an Excel file. Provide an analysis of this file. Again, I'll hit the /, and under search, I want my quarterly sales Excel spreadsheet. Here it is. Go ahead and select that, and let's hit send. All right, so you can see here it pulled the data table from the spreadsheet, and down below that we have key insights: strong growth in early quarters, decline in Q4, and recovery in 2025 Q1. Trends and recommendations: overall growth, Q4 dip, sustaining growth. Would you like a visual chart of these trends? Yes, that actually sounds good. Provide a visual chart of these trends. Interesting. Not too shabby. And going back up here to the top, I just want to call out that when you jump into your historical conversations and you're wondering, what file was this pulled from? You'll find it right up here at the top right, and you can click on it and go right to that file. All right, and that is how you can use Copilot Chat to work with your files and data. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below, and I'll see you on the next one.